Welcome back to Britology. Today we're stepping into a world where luxury knows no limits and the road itself becomes a five-star experience. Imagine a motorhome that doesn't just take you from one destination to another, but transforms every journey into a statement of elegance, power, and refined taste. This is not an ordinary RV. This is a luxury motorhome with a diamond-style interior designed for those who want absolute comfort, visual brilliance, and exclusivity wherever they travel. From the moment you step inside, the atmosphere feels closer to a high-end private jet or a luxury penthouse than a vehicle on wheels. The diamond-style interior is inspired by the same design language, used in ultra-luxury yachts and premium supercars. Every surface reflects precision, symmetry, and sparkle, without being flashy or overwhelming. The walls, ceilings, and furniture panels feature geometric patterns that subtly catch the light, creating a soft shimmer that moves as the motorhome moves. It's a design that feels alive, dynamic, and incredibly sophisticated. The living area is the heart of this motorhome, and it's designed to impress at first glance and comfort you for long stays. Plush seating wrapped in premium leather is quilted in a diamond pattern, not just for style, but also for superior comfort and durability. These seats are ergonomically designed, allowing you to relax for hours, whether you're watching a movie, hosting guests, or simply enjoying the view outside. Ambient LED lighting runs seamlessly along the edges of the ceiling and furniture, highlighting the diamond textures and creating a warm, calming glow that can be adjusted to match your mood. The flooring beneath your feet is crafted from high-quality materials, often a blend of polished wood finishes and luxury stone-style surfaces. It's built to handle travel, but looks like it belongs in a luxury villa. Every step feels solid and refined, reinforcing the sense that this motorhome is built without compromise. Even the smallest details, like the stitching on cushions or the finish on door handles, are carefully chosen to maintain a consistent high-end aesthetic. Moving into the kitchen area, the diamond-style theme continues in a more subtle, elegant way. Cabinet doors feature textured finishes that reflect light softly, while countertops are made from premium materials, like marble-inspired, composites, or high-gloss stone. Built-in appliances are seamlessly integrated, maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. This is a kitchen designed not just for functionality, but for experience. Cooking here feels like being in a luxury apartment, even when you're parked in the middle of nature. The dining space complements the kitchen perfectly, with a table that often features a glossy finish or subtle, diamond pattern detailing. Surrounding seats are both stylish and supportive, making meals feel special whether you're dining alone or with friends. Large windows nearby flood the area with natural light during the day, while at night, the interior lighting transforms the space into an intimate, elegant setting. As you move toward the bedroom, the sense of luxury deepens even further. The master sleeping area is designed to feel like a private sanctuary. The bed is often framed by a diamond-patterned headboard, softly illuminated from behind to create a calm, hotel-like atmosphere. High-quality bedding, premium fabrics, and sound-insulated walls ensure deep, uninterrupted rest, even when the motorhome is on the move or parked in a busy location. Storage in the bedroom is cleverly integrated, with wardrobes and drawers hidden behind beautifully finished panels. Everything has its place, maintaining the clean, uncluttered feel that defines true luxury. Mirrors are strategically placed to enhance the sense of space, reflecting both light and design details throughout the room. The bathroom in a diamond-style luxury motorhome is nothing short of impressive. This is not a cramped basic RV bathroom. It's a fully realized spa-like space. Polished surfaces, high-end fixtures, and elegant lighting combine to create an environment of comfort and relaxation. The shower area often features glass panels with subtle patterns, while sinks and countertops are crafted from premium materials. Even here, the diamond design language appears in small details, tying the entire interior together seamlessly. Technology plays a huge role in enhancing the luxury experience. Smart control systems allow you to manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, and privacy features with the touch of a button or a digital panel. High-definition screens are discreetly integrated into walls or cabinetry, appearing only when needed. Premium sound systems ensure crystal-clear audio throughout the motorhome, turning movie nights or music sessions into a truly immersive experience. Beyond aesthetics and comfort, This luxury motorhome is engineered for performance and stability. Advanced suspension systems ensure a smooth ride even on long journeys. Soundproofing reduces road noise, allowing the interior to remain quiet and peaceful. Climate control systems maintain the perfect temperature, regardless of weather conditions outside, making this motorhome suitable for travel in any season. What truly sets a diamond-style interior apart is the feeling it creates. It's not just about expensive materials or eye-catching design. It's about how all these elements come together to create an environment that feels exclusive, calm, and powerful. This is a space where you can conduct business, relax with family, or simply enjoy solitude in absolute comfort. A luxury motorhome like this represents freedom at its highest level. You're not tied to hotels, flights, or fixed schedules. Your home moves with you, carrying the same level of elegance and refinement wherever you go. Whether parked beside a quiet lake, cruising along coastal roads, or arriving at a high-profile event, this motorhome makes a statement without saying a word. In a world where luxury is often defined by excess, the diamond-style interior shows that true sophistication lies in balance. Every detail has a purpose. Every design choice enhances the experience, and every journey becomes memorable. This is not just a motorhome. It's a mobile masterpiece, redefining what it means to travel in style.